Hey y'all, Rhonda here. All right, let's open up some packages and see what we have. This one is from, this is Trina, Birdie, Feed the Birds. I will link her information below. She has some fabulous stuff. She has an Etsy store and also sells on Instagram. And she goes to estate sales. If you follow me at all, you hear me talk about her. And let's see what we got here. Maybe we just have to tear this whole thing up. See, that's why I opened this beforehand. Because I fight with boxes and envelopes. Now let's see if we can get it out. All right. Awesome. What does this say? Something. Okay. All right. Here is her card. Like I said, I'll also link it below. But here's all kinds of goodies. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love these. The slides. Oh, that's a medical slide. Can you see it? Let me see. Can I get it to focus? Oh my goodness, that's awesome. And these are Big Bend National Park, Secrets in Stone. Oh my goodness. Wow. These are fabulous. Oh my goodness. I'll have to really, really look at these. Oh, beautiful. Okay. And then, let's see what else we have here. Let me get these over here. I just get so excited. Oh, and here's the little stamps, maybe, and coins. Fold them in half and put your coin in there, or your stamp, maybe. And then playing cards. But I love the horses. I used to be a barrel racer, but these are playing cards. Love these. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Love that blaze face. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful. Just stunning. And here's some pictures. Oh my gosh. These are perfect for junk journals. Oh my goodness. She always finds the best stuff. Oh, look at the envelopes. Oh, awesome. Oh, look how they've aged. Oh, love that sound. We have some lace. Oh my goodness. Put all this open. Oh, look at this. That's neat. Very cool. I love this little dainty lace. I always like to use a variety in my journals. I like the wide. Yeah, that's beautiful. So you could cut these out individually. Gorgeous. I love that. And you could use your Tattered Angels to color, or your inks. Oh, and little rounds. Oh, gorgeous. All right, let's see what this is. So this folder I know is vintage. So here's some book pages. of dictionary, small dictionary pages. And then this is, oh, Germany. This is stamps and dictionary pages. Look how that's the color. Oh, love it. Gorgeous. Oh, get this out of the way. I'm just oohing and on. Oh, more of that pink. Oh, yellow paper. I mean, these are just ready to go right in a junk journal. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I have a lot of wood mount rubber stamps that when I purchased that Crafter's Estate, a lot of fashion stamps that are just wonderful. So this will be great for a junk journal, and then use those stamps. Oh, look at that. Oh, I mean, gorgeous. Look at those. Oh, love, love, love. All right. Put this over to the side a little bit. All right. Then we have Linda Israel. And I bet you this is the stencil of the month. If I could get that open. A little trash can down there. Yes. Let's see if there's a invoice. Let me get rid of that. So this is May Artistic Stencil Club. So you get 3 stencils. So, and they're 8.5 by 11. So you get a full stencil here, and then a full stencil here, and then this one is half and half. So half the stencil is this design, and the other half is that one. Love it. I love these. All right, this is HSN, and I think this is an auto ship. Let's tear into this. Should be. Let's see here. Diamond Press pop-up die kit. Oh, fireworks. This is those little pop-up cards. Hang on, I'll show you. I think I have one right behind me that I did not very long ago. Let me grab it. Like this one. And then it folds flat, so you can send it. It goes either way. Got to train it a little bit, but yeah, it folds flat to go. But see, it's the. I just love these. So stinking cute. Yeah. All right, so this is an auto ship. So this is fireworks. Let me get something else here. Where's my other scissors? I can pry this open. I know. You're screaming, don't poke towards yourself. Well, come on. What is up with all this? There we go. I don't, for some reason, as much as I like to open boxes, I'm not very good at it. Oh, no, this is a pop-up. Oh, my goodness. I was totally wrong. This is an auto ship, but it is a pop-up card. I don't have my, where to open it. I don't have my sample handy of this one. But I made a video on the flower. And then there was an Easter basket. So see, this part stands up. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Let's see if they have a sample on here that you can see. This is going to be so fun. No? Oh, down here. Not a very good picture, but you get the gist of it. So you open it up and you have all these fireworks. Oh, we're going to have to do this one. Oh, look at all the stamps. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. I'm going to have to go find some paper, and we're going to have to do this one. We may have to heat emboss it with glitter embossing powder. Oh, won't that be fun? Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, we're going to do this one next because I'm just so excited. All right, then this one is from Tonic Studios. Let's see if I can get into this one. Oh, I'm excited about that pop-up card. Diamond Press makes the best pop-up cards. They're simple. Let's see what we have here. And, I mean, very nice. Okay. So this is going to make a hexagon book. You can kind of see some of the samples there. That's going to be fun because the bee thing is so popular right now. And then here's an add-on. So like the little beehive. Oh, excited about this. And then I got a little freebie. This is a little tote bag. Crafting, the art of looking for something you had 2 seconds ago. How true is that? Oh my word. That is super cute. Little canvas bag. All right. Well, I'm going to end this one, but I'm going to go find some paper and come back, and then we're going to make that pop up 4th of July card because I'm super excited about that. So I'll see you in just a little bit.